Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening your CAD file and confirming units, sheet size, and which layers must print. Once done, select the target printer or plotter and pick a monochrome driver if available. This forces pure black outputs. Make sure you load or create a monochrome CTB or SDB plotting style now, because it maps colors to black. That mapping is what changes colored lines to true black. Preview at 1 scale to spot immediate problems before continuing to plot configuration. Next, configure the page setup and plot dialog precisely. Choose the monochrome CTB or SDB you prepared and confirm paper size and orientation. Then set plot scale and verify line weights so thin details remain visible. Make sure plot object line weights and plot style options are enabled. Once set, preview the plot to inspect hatches, text, and dashed lines. Adjust line weight overrides or scale if small elements disappear. If using viewports, lock them and refresh the preview to ensure consistent output across sheets. To finish, either print a test sheet or export a PDF through the selected monochrome printer driver so colors convert to black. You should inspect density, annotation legibility, and hatch patterns on the test to confirm everything reads clearly. Make minor line weight or hatch scale tweaks if required. If output contains gray or colored traces, check your CTB/SDB mapping, ensure no layer has plot color forced off, and update the device driver. Re-export and repeat until the print is pure black and crisp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.